Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you 8 animals that eat their prey alive. Let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Number 8. Heron. Herons are tall, long-legged, long-billed wading birds. They can be found in wetlands throughout the world, searching for fish, crabs and occasionally, frogs, small mammals and even young birds. The most common hunting technique for this bird is to sit motionless on the edge of or standing in shallow water and to wait until prey comes within range. Birds may either do this from an upright posture, giving them a wider field of view for seeing prey, or from a crouched position, which is more cryptic and means the bill is closer to the prey when it is located. Having seen prey, the head is moved from side to side, so that the heron can calculate the position of the prey in the water and compensate for refraction, and then the bill is used to spear the prey. The bird, which usually spears its prey before swallowing it whole, spent 25 minutes attempting to eat the 9-inch turtle before flying away carrying the turtle in its beak. Number 7. Shark. Sharks are found in deep and shallow waters throughout the world's oceans, with some migrating vast distances to breed and feed. Some species are solitary. People aren't on a shark's menu. Even though shark attacks have increased at a steady rate since 1900, a result of better recording of attacks and a rising human population, they are still exceedingly rare. A beachgoer has only a 1 in 11.5 million chance of being bitten. They search for prey at the surface of the ocean while swimming below. Once they spot a target, they use a burst of speed to bump their prey while simultaneously biting it. They have several rows of teeth that can number into the thousands. Most sharks eat smaller fish and invertebrates, but some of the larger species prey on seals, sea lions, and other marine mammals. In the majority of recorded attacks, the shark bites the victim, hangs on for a few seconds and then lets go. Number 6. Whale. Killer whales are the largest of the dolphins and one of the world's most powerful predators of warm-blooded animals alive today. They are known because of their white and black color. Worldwide, killer whales have been observed preying on more than 140 species of animals, including many species of bony fish, sharks and rays, and 50 different species of marine mammals including leatherback sea turtles, dugongs, moose, and penguins and other seabirds. Baleen whales hunt for food using a technique known as filter feeding, in which they swim towards their prey with their mouths open and filter food through their baleen bristles, which look similar to the bristles found on a comb. Number 5. Pelican. Pelicans are known for their large skin pouches that dangle from their bills. Some people think the pouches are used to store food, but it's not correct. In reality, pelicans use the pouches to capture food, like fishing nets. After capturing their prey, pelicans contract those pouches to drain water, then swallow the prey immediately. Besides for fish, pelicans also prey on other birds and amphibians, as long as they fit their throats. In deep water, white pelicans often fish alone. Air sacs beneath the skin on their breasts act like cushions. Also, while diving, a pelican rotates its body ever so slightly to the left. Upon impact, the brown pelican opens its bill and expands its pouch, trapping small fish inside. Then the bird pops to the surface, spills out the water, and gulps down dinner. Number 4. Komodo dragon. Reaching up to 10 feet in length and more than 300 pounds, Komodo dragons are the heaviest lizards on Earth. They have long, flat heads with rounded snouts, scaly skin, bowed legs, and huge, muscular tails. They are such fierce hunters they can eat very large prey, such as large water buffalo, deer, carrion, pigs and even humans. They will also eat smaller dragons. When hunting, Komodo dragons rely on camouflage and patience, lying in wait for passing prey. When a victim ambles by, the dragon springs, using its sharp claws and serrated, shark-like teeth to eviscerate its prey. The Komodo has a unique way of killing its prey. To catch a monkey, the Komodo dragon lies in wait, camouflaged against the ground. When the monkey is close, the dragon gives the monkey a mighty whack with its strong tail. Number 3. Egret. Egrets are smaller, paler birds, with darker legs and sometimes darker beaks. Egrets are herons that have white or buff plumage, developing fine plumes, usually milky white, during the breeding season. Egrets are not a biologically distinct group from herons and have the same build. They scurry around the water as they hunt, which is much more active than other herons and egrets, which stand still and silently stalk their prey. They use their feet to stir up mud underwater, then stabs their bills into the water to find prey. Snowy egrets often forage in groups with other aquatic birds. Owls, hawks, raccoons and poisonous snakes prey upon snowy egrets and their young. Number 2. Polar bear. Polar bears are stocky, with a long neck, relatively small head, short, rounded ears, and a short tail. Humans probably cause most polar bear deaths, by hunting and by destroying problem animals near settlements. Polar bears have been known to kill people. Polar bears hunt seals by waiting for them to come to the surface of sea ice to breed. When the seal nears the surface, the polar bear will bite or grab the seal and pull it onto land to feed. They also eat walruses and whale carcasses. Despite the huge disparity in size, polar bears do hunt walruses. This might not be so surprising, considering that lions and wolves hunt prey much larger than themselves. A polar bear can occasionally catch a fleeing walrus on land, but even the biggest polar bear cannot subdue a healthy adult walrus. Number 1. Jackal. Jackals are medium-sized omnivorous mammals of the subtribe Canina, which also includes wolves and the domestic dog, among other species. With their long legs and curved canine teeth, they are well adapted for hunting. Some jackals may gather to scavenge a carcass or to hunt larger prey such as antelope, gazelles and livestock, but normally hunt alone or in pairs. Their diet consists of small mammals, birds, amphibians and reptiles. When it hunts for small mammals and insects, the jackal usually hunts alone. Preferring to hunt by night, it begins its hunt at sunset and ends at sunrise. Before starting its hunt, the jackal will howl. Pairs or small groups of jackals sometimes organize to hunt larger game, such as young gazelles or springbok. If you like the video and share and press the bell icon.